Hi there, Career Development Psychology class. My name is Trey Jarman, and as you can see from the title card, I'm majoring in psychology. I'm currently enrolled here at Brigham Young University, Idaho. There's a picture of me while I was serving on my mission in Yakima, Washington. So without further ado, let's get right into this presentation. So my career plans. The job that I hope to secure after finishing my education is that of a defense attorney. As a defense attorney, I'd be expected to provide service in the courtroom for those that I take on as clients and be a defender of justice, as the American Bar Association described it on their website. On the left, I attached a photo of Michael B. Jordan and Jamie Foxx starring in the film Just Mercy, where Michael B. Jordan plays as an attorney defending Jamie Foxx, who is wrongfully convicted of a crime he didn't commit. This movie was a great inspiration for me when I got home from my mission, though it wasn't my primary reason for deciding on my major and my career path. That was decided by someone that I served with on my mission, a person that I met in a war that I was serving in. Now, the education required. In order to become a defense attorney, it's expected that I'm going to have to complete 4 years of undergraduate study, as well as 3 years of postgraduate study at an American Bar Association approved law school. And the one that I decided on was J. Reuben Clark Law School in Provo, attached to Brigham Young University. Now, and I attached a picture of that university right here on the left. In relation to my 4-year plan. As of writing this, it's my personal 4-year plan to do 2 years of undergraduate study here at Brigham Young University, Idaho, and then transfer after I do my generals to Provo, where I'll finish out my undergraduate study and I'll obtain my degree in psychology. And then once I graduate, I'll attend J. Reuben Clark Law School. And why psychology? Well, I've always seen myself as somewhat of an empath, and therefore I'm fascinated by the human condition and behavior. Now, to sound less pretentious, I also believe that this course of study will be the most beneficial for me in achieving my goals. But I do genuinely love and am fascinated by the human brain, what makes it tick, what makes people do the things they do. And I think that it was a no-brainer for me when I decided on my major, that it would be psychology. Comparing to Chapter 13, well, it was kind of funny after looking at the table again. I found myself as a dead ringer for both the first and third option when, according to Gallucci in 1997, the first being I have a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology, which is the most common reason that someone chooses a psychology major, and the third most common, psychology is a good undergraduate degree to prepare me for my graduate or professional degree, that being a JD. After looking over this table, it seems that a lot of other people have similar reasoning for having their own psychology degrees. I just hope that I'll be able to help myself stick out among all the different people that are certainly going to be excellent fits for the programs that they attend. And I hope that I am as well for the course of study that I hope to commit myself to. Thank you guys for coming to my presentation, and if there's any criticisms or comments that you'd like to leave, just comment right below this presentation. And thank you so much and have a great day.